Hey everyone, here I will tell you about WooCommerce PDF Voucher, a plugin developed by WP Web, which easily helps you to connect your online store with on-ground business, making the process smooth and customer-friendly. Everything is manageable with the automated process and security the plugin provides. Also, you can easily keep a track of your voucher codes. Here are some basic requirements you need for the plugin to work without any problem in your WooCommerce website. I know you guys are waiting to see what kind of feature this plugin provides, and it has a long list of features. So here are some exceptional features this plugin contains. Customer can redeem the voucher online or in person. Also can create unlimited vouchers with easy drag and drop builder. Customers have unlimited voucher template options. They can easily scan codes once the voucher redeemed. These are the features in which WooCommerce PDF voucher differs from others. Customer can redeem it partially or fully, also can redeem unlimited number of times. If you love this exceptional feature of the WooCommerce PDF voucher, consider downloading it. You will find the link in the description. But wait, don't go yet. The list of features is yet to be over. As I said, the plugin contains lots of features, and here are some of the basic ones. Also, all the voucher details you need will be available to you. A customer bought the voucher or someone redeemed it, every time an email will be sent to the customer and vendor respectively. Here we have listed add-ons of WooCommerce PDF vouchers to provide you with some premium features. Now I know you all have been thinking that the plugin can be downloaded for use anywhere in this world, and every country has its own taxation method, and therefore our plugin has a different method for tax calculation. And you don't even have to worry about the language, also it is translation ready and supports multilingual tax. With 5300 plus happy customers, 100 plus features and rating of 4.89, you can already see the wonders it is doing in the world of WordPress plugins. WooCommerce PDF voucher compatible with listed plugins and many more. Look what our customer says about our top selling WordPress plugin, WooCommerce PDF voucher. If you are looking for any custom WordPress plugin development specifically for your site as per your needs, contact us and our expert developers happy to work with you. Thank you for watching the video. The link to this plugin is available in the description, and also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates in world of WordPress.